Now this is the next question. Can you name something which produce melodious or pleasing sounds when we blow into them? So here some musical instruments are there that are played by blowing from the mouth, by blowing air from the mouth. This is the first instrument. This is called bean, and you know that the bean is used by the snake charmers. This the next is the next is mouth organ, and you are watching that there are so many instruments or musical instruments are there that are played by blowing air from the mouth. This is a saxophone. Watch carefully and listen carefully. This is a saxophone, and you know that the first saxophone was patented by Anthony Joseph Sax in Paris in 1846. This is a vessel. These are flutes. This is a harmonium, and you know that this is a place from where the air is pumped in the harmonium, and the buttons, these are the buttons are pressed, then it makes sound. So the harmonium is also need air from for being played. Put your hands on your chest. When you breathe in, does your chest come out or go in? Measure your chest. Take a deep breath. Ask your friend to measure your chest with a thread measurement. When you will take breathe, then your chest will come out. So the measurement would be 24 centimeter. The next, now breathe out. Again, ask your friend to measure your chest. Then the measurement will be the 20 centimeter. When you will breathe out, then your chest measurement will be 20 centimeter. Was there any difference in the two measurement of your chest? So the answer is yes, there is a difference in the measurement. The chest come out on taking breathe in and goes in on breathing out. How many breathe in 1 minute? Put your finger under your nose. Can you feel any air when you breathe out from your nose? So the answer is yes. Count how many times in 1 minute do you breathe in and breathe out. So we can say that normally we take breathe for 20 times in 1 minute. Jump 30 times. Did you feel breathless? Then the answer is yes. On jumping we feel breathless. This is written in breathless, L-E-S-S. Now again count how many times in 1 minute you breathe in and out. Now about 30 times. What was the difference in your count before and after jumping? The difference is about 10 breath. The clock inside you. There is again an activity for you, but first of all some questions are there. You have all heard the tick tick of the clock. Have you seen a doctor using a stethoscope to listen to our chest? What do you think she hears? Where is the sound coming from? Is there a clock inside your chest that keeps ticking away? So I will give you the answer one by one. Here you have to ask that you have all heard the tick tick of the clock. Have you seen a doctor using a stethoscope to listen to your chest? So we can answer yes, I have seen or we have seen a doctor using a stethoscope. Then what do you think she hears? So you can answer she hears the heartbeat by using stethoscope. Where is the sound coming from? The sound is coming from our heart. Is there a clock inside your chest that keep ticking away? So you can answer that no, there is no any clock inside our heart that keeping ticking away, but a heart lies in the left side of our chest that beats continuously. Now there is the activity. Do you want to listen to your heartbeat? Take a rubber tube as long as the distance from your shoulder to your elbow. At one end of the tube, fix a funnel. Keep the funnel on the left side of your chest. Put the other end of the tube to your ear. Listen carefully. Did you hear a dhak dhak sound? So do this at your home and experience. Snake tells the sorry. Snake tells the flow of air. There is another activity for you. For this, take a round paper 10 to 15 centimeter wide. Cut this paper in a spiral shape as shown in picture number 1. You are watching, this is a picture number 1 and this is a spiral shape. This is the paper is cut into a spiral shape. To hold this snake, tie a thread on both sides. On the both side, you are to tie a sorry for inconvenience. So you are watching that this paper, when you will cut the paper in this shape, then the paper will, you can see the paper like this. Then what you are to do, you are to tie a thread on both sides, on the up side and on the bottom side. On the top and bottom, you are to tie this snake from a thread. Tie a knot or a button to make it hang. Now the snake is ready to move. Did you see this? Hang this snake near a hot thing. For this, you can take hot tea, water, or a burning candle. Now see from the top in which direction the snake moves. Whenever the air flows upward, it will move in a clockwise direction, and when the air flows downward, the snake will move in the opposite direction, or you can say in the anti-clockwise direction. Stand with this snake, blow a fan, look in which direction it moves. Take this paper snake to different places and observe its movement. Can you understand from the movement of the snake if the air is moving upward or downward? So the answers are here. On taking this snake below a fan, it moves in the anti-clockwise direction. This is because here the air is moving downwards. When the air will move the downwards, the snake will move in the anti-clock direction. This is the next answer. Yes, the direction of the air can be easily understood by observing the movement of the snake. If the snake moves in the direction of the clock, it shows that the air is moving upward. When the snake moves in the opposite direction, this shows that the air is moving from downwards. So dear students, this was the complete explanation of the chapter. Sorry for inconvenience in this part. So dear students, listen carefully all the part of the chapters and try to understand about our hot and cold breath. Have a nice day.